Oh shit.
Hey, you hear that noise?
Yo, you forgot the spark plugs, man. Damn.
All right, we got pressure. Say some boy don't know from the outside.
Yo, pass the spark plug. Yo, pass the spark plug.
One time. Over.
Hey, Benny? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job, good job, good job.
Team one! Team one!
Check out this valve cover.
Told you.
First bid $300 on eBay.
Look at that. Look at that. Come on, show them, show them. Come on, show them. Look at that.
First bid on eBay $300.
Look at that.
Hemi 2.4 liter.
Ah.
Now Carl's gonna take all his points back.
Yeah. Team one. One shot.
And all the credit goes to Cardi, so you know, you see this on YouTube because of me.
Yeah, thanks Cardi for not being a part of the team.
Pretty good. Not even hot.